Okay, welcome everyone to this deep dive. We've got a really fascinating piece of source material today. It's looking at AI and the future of YouTube stardom. And right off the bat, it throws this really provocative question at us, doesn't it?
It really does.
Can AI create the next YouTube star? So that's kind of our mission today, to dig into what this source is saying about that and why it matters for anyone creating content, or frankly, anyone just watching stuff online.
Exactly. And it's interesting because, like you said, it's not just about the tech specs, is it? The minute you ask if something non-human can be a star, it just opens up this whole conversation about, well, creativity, what's authentic, how connection even works online.
Right. What makes someone click with an audience? So how does the source material start tackling this? I mean, it has to acknowledge the AI progress first, surely.
Oh, absolutely. It starts there. It points out how AI tools are getting incredibly good at, generating scripts, doing voiceovers that sound almost creepily human, and even spitting out video, animation, stuff that's, well, it's getting harder to tell apart from human-made content sometimes.
So the production side is getting there.
Yes, exactly. The piece really highlights that the technical ability, the sheer volume and polish AI can achieve, is ramping up fast. It mentions examples like channels using AI for, say, endless educational shorts or automating animation. AI is getting good at the mechanics, the source says.
But, and there's always a but, isn't there? The source pivots pretty quickly to the star element. It suggests being a YouTube star. Well, that's more than just cranking out slick videos.
Precisely. That's where it gets really interesting, I think. It dives into the challenges AI faces with things like authenticity, genuine interaction.
Like, can an AI really share a personal story that resonates? Or react spontaneously, empathetically, in a live chat?
Exactly. Can it build that rapport, that feeling the audience gets, where they feel like they know the person, they trust them? The source basically argues that, right now anyway, this human connection piece, that's a massive hurdle for AI.
Yeah, and the source brought up vulnerability too, didn't it? That connection often comes from shared stuff, struggles, even just imperfections. Humans connect over that.
Right. And AI, which is often designed for, efficiency, getting it right, it kind of struggles to copy that messy, relatable humanity that often makes a creator a star. It can give you information, sure, it can entertain, but inspire loyalty based purely on personality. That's the tricky part.
So the takeaway from the source seems to be AI, super powerful for making content. Could definitely shake up that side of YouTube.
The production side.
But the actual stardom bit, that connection, that feeling of a real person behind it all, still seems uniquely human. For now, at least.
Exactly. So we sort of unpacked what the source laid out AI's muscle in content creation versus the real challenge it faces in mimicking that human factor, that star quality.
And, just asking that question the source poses, can AI create the next YouTube star? It really pushes you to think about what you actually value.
Yeah, what is it? Is it just slick videos appearing often? Or is it something deeper, more personal?
It makes you, the listener, really consider what stardom even means now, digitally, especially if the creator, isn't a person.
And maybe the final thought to leave you with, tying it all together as the source suggests, if AI can increasingly handle the content side, maybe even make stuff that's really compelling, what does that do to our relationship with online personalities? What's the unique thing, the special sauce that human creators bring? Maybe it's that spontaneity, the vulnerability we talked about, or just building a real community. What is it that AI can't replicate? And those audiences always need that. Definitely something to chew on.